Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in today's video I am going to show you a function of JS to hide and show the section. Just like we can see, we are at the contact table, and in this job title column we have different values. Some of cafeteria manager, purchasing manager, product, CTO, route manager, and all. So let's open a record which contains manager in their job title. So here when I open this record, we can see that there is a section called manager details, which contains manager ID and team size. And if I open any record which does not have manager, just like this one, so here we can see that job title doesn't contain manager and we don't have manager details section here. So how can we achieve this functionality in CRM using JavaScript? I'm going to show you in this video. So for that, let's start from the scratch. This is my CRM and we are at the sales hub application, and this is the contact table. If I open any record just like this one, and here we can see that job title is product owner. This is the section that I have created, name as manager details. It's a custom section. It contains two fields, names as manager ID and team size. So what I want, that if a job title contains manager, then this section should be visible. Otherwise this section should be hide. So how can we achieve it? We are going to see in this video. So for that we need to write a JavaScript. For that, let's open first Visual Studio Code, and this is the file where I'm going to write down my JavaScript. So first we declare our function. The execution context gives us access to the form and its data during runtime. Now we will access form context. This helps us access form elements like fields, tabs, and section. Now we'll retrieve job title value. We'll write logical name of the job title field. For that, open level up, copy this. Now we access the section manager detail. We first get the summary tab and then the manager details section inside the tab. Logical name of summary tab, this one. Now logical name of the section. Finally, we apply the logic. If the job title contains the word manager, in any case upper or lower, we show the section, otherwise we hide it. Include. Now we save it. Now we go back to our solution to implement it. We will add web resource. Let's make a change, use a debugger so we could debug it if any error comes. copy this, go back to the table. So I want to use this web resource on load of a form and on change of job title field also. So I'm going to add this JS on both of the events. One is on load of the form and one is on change of the field. Pass the execution context as first parameter. And now click on done. And I also want to use it on the change of this field. Click on done. Let's see once. Yes, so this is our JS. Click on save and publish. Now go back to Sales App application and do a hard refresh. So the job title doesn't contain anything named manager here. So this section should be hide. Let's see our script has been uploaded or not. So do a hard refresh. Let's see if any problem is happening here. So yes, the debug is working. Now let's check. It's getting the form context. Job title is getting. Okay. So it's not coming down here in this line number 5. So yeah, we can see that it should be sections, not section. So we need to change it. So just cross it here, go back, change it to sections here. Now save it, come back here. We need to change our web resource again. Updated the file. It contains sections here. Now save it. Let's check once again. Now it's right here. Now click on save and publish. It's been published. Go back here. Just do a refresh. So now it's working fine. Yes. So job title doesn't contain anything name as manager, and our field and our manager tab manager details section has been hide. Now let's change it owner to manager here and click somewhere else. So here we can say that as we write down here manager in the job title and click somewhere else, then our section has been visible. And if I remove it, then section is hide. Now just save it, test it for some other record also, just like this one. Let's see. So here we can say that job title doesn't contain manager, so we don't have manager details section here. And for the Alex Baker, yes, so it contains cafeteria manager and it's showing section as manager details. So that's it from our video. If you like it, please like and subscribe our channel and do comments. Your comments are highly appreciated. Thank you.